Welcome to the Tips and Tricks series, Solidworks 30th Anniversary Edition. This video, Smart Components in Assemblies, is brought to you by ABBK PhysicsWorks. Created by Hamdi Rihan, a lead application engineer. Narrated by Fatma Bayan JK, Marketing Manager and International Business Development. Smart components are a powerful feature in SolidWorks assemblies. When added to an assembly, they automatically insert related components like bolts, connectors, or fittings, and even generate features such as mounting holes or cuts. They're especially useful for common parts like motors, brackets, and reusable fittings, helping designers save time and avoid repetitive setup. Let's take a look at how smart components work in a real assembly. Here is our starting assembly. We'll convert this motor into a smart component so it can automatically bring in related hardware and features during future insertions. From the top navigation bar, go to Tools, then click Make Smart Component. Select the motor body. Next, we'll define which components should be included with it. Select the 4 bolts anchoring the motor to the base and the motor coupling at the front. In the Assembly Property Manager, select the 4 mounting holes where the bolts will go. Click the green check mark to confirm. Now, let's open the motor part itself. Right-click on the back face of the motor and choose Open Part from the shortcut menu. Once opened, you'll see the Smart Feature folder on the left-hand side. Expand it to review the details. At this point, the motor has successfully been converted into a smart component. Now, let's add a mate reference to help with automatic alignment. You can either search for mate reference using the command search bar, or go to Reference Geometry, Mate Reference. In the Mate Reference Property Manager, select the mounting plate that holds 2 of the bolts. Set the primary reference entity to be coincident. Click the green check mark to apply the mate reference. Make sure to save your work as you go. Next, we'll test the smart component in a new assembly. Click the arrow next to the new icon and choose Make Assembly from Part/Assembly. Click the green check mark to start the assembly. Use the Insert Components command to bring in the motor part we just converted. As you can see, it automatically aligns using the mate reference we set earlier. Click the green check mark in the pop-up to place the motor on its new support. Now notice the lighting bolt icon on the motor. That's the shortcut for inserting smart features. Click it. A message will pop up. Select the third option, which is Open any documents which have changed. Click on the motor support. Click the green check mark to complete. The motor coupling, the 4 bolts, and the mounting holes have now been inserted automatically, just as we defined earlier when converting the motor to a smart component. Smart components simplify assembly workflows by automating repetitive tasks, reducing manual errors, and ensuring design consistency, especially when reusing standard parts across multiple projects. We hope this tip helps you work faster and smarter in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. This video is part of a limited tips and tricks series celebrating 30 years of SolidWorks, brought to you by ABBK PhysicsWorks. See you in the next one.